Hey everyone, and welcome back to the Gifted Fit, where we cover all things health, fitness, and wellness. Today we're going to be doing a glute-focused resistance band workout. So if you're looking to strengthen, grow, or tone your glutes, this is the workout for you. All you need is a resistance band and a little bit of space. And without further ado, let's get to it. Before we dive into the workout, let's go ahead and warm those glutes up. So warming up is essential for activating the right muscles and preventing injury. So go ahead and follow along with me. We're going to start off with 15 basic body weight squats. So here you want to just make sure your feet are hip width distance apart. You're driving through your heels, engaging your core, getting your heart rate up, and getting those glutes activated for this perfect glute resistant band workout. Now that we got those squats out the way, let's go ahead and get into our alternating reverse lunges. So here you want to take a large step backwards, making a 90-degree angle with your back leg, making sure that you're leaning slightly forward to target those glutes and engaging your core, getting your heart rate up and going at a steady pace. All right, now y'all, we're going into our last but certainly not least exercise of the warm-up. So we're going to finish off with some donkey kicks. So you'll want to get on all fours and kick one leg up in the air while keeping your core tight and squeezing your glutes at the peak. So at this point, I hope you're all warmed up and those glutes are fired up and get ready to work. So once you're done with the warm-up, feel free to grab a water and do any additional stretches that you think you may need before we get started. Now that we're all warmed up, we're going to place our band right above our knees and get into a low squat for our side steps. So you're going to stay in a low squat and take a step to each side, alternating. The lower you stay, the more you'll feel it in your glutes. So you want to keep those glutes engaged, core engaged, and making sure that you're breathing throughout this entire process. Keep a steady pace. That burned. So we're gonna have a 30-second rest before we start this exercise again for 2 more rounds. Now we're going into our squat to kickbacks. So here you're going to squat, and when you come up at the top, you're going to extend your legs straight back and squeeze your glutes at the top. You want to avoid arching your back too much and try to keep the movement controlled while engaging your core. We want to go ahead and make our way to the ground for our banded glute bridges. So you're going to place the band above your knees and lie down. Press your hips up, squeeze at the top, and keep the tension on the band by pushing your knees out to keep those glutes engaged. I know by this point your glutes are probably about to fall off, but hold on, girl, we got 2 more exercises. Going into our clamshells, you're gonna lay on your side with a band above your knees and open up your knees like a clamshell, keeping your feet together. And you wanna stay in control for maximum activation and repeat 15 of these on each side. Okay, I lied. Now we have 2 more exercises. So going into our glute march, you're gonna lie in a glute bridge position and march 1 knee up at a time, keeping your hips lifted and steady, engaging your glutes and making sure that you keep your hips up off the ground the entire time. This is gonna be really great for building stability in your glutes. And another tip is to have your feet kicked up on your heels for maximum glute activation. Last but certainly not least, we're going into our fire hydrants. So on all fours, you're going to lift one knee out to the side and return to center. You're going to avoid shifting your weight too much and try to keep your core steady. And you'll repeat 15 of these on each side. You made it to the end of this workout, and I really hope that you guys enjoy this glute focused resistance band workout. So now we're going to get into our stretch here to make sure that we are getting all of that tightness out and leaving the workout stretched and refreshed. First movement here, we're going to have our pigeon pose. So here, this is going to be really great for stretching out your upper glutes and your hamstrings. So you're going to sink into the stretch and relax for about 30 seconds and do this on both sides. Then we'll go into our seated forward fold. So you're going to reach for your toes and feel the stretch in your hamstrings and your glutes. And you can hold this for as long as it feels comfortable for you, but I recommend at least 30 seconds. Finally, my favorite, our figure four stretch. So you can either do this lying on your back on the ground, or you can do this sitting up how I am now, but you're going to cross one ankle over the opposite knee and pull your leg towards your chest. And I like to rock back and forth just to feel the stretch a little bit deeper. And you can move from side to side too to try to relieve some stress in any areas that you feel any tightness. That marks the end of this workout, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more at-home workout videos on my channel. And if you have any suggestions, please put that down in the comment box below. See you in the next video.